Welcome everybody. Today I am teaching you tiger print nail art design step by step guide. This Ferris tiger print nail art uses a trendy gradient effect to make it pop. Step number 1, start by painting your nails with a white nail polish. Step number 2, using a small piece of cosmetic sponge and some tweezers. Apply a light orange nail polish to your nails. Leave the top third of your nails mostly white. Step number 3, using the same method, dab a dark orange nail polish on the tips of your nails. Step number 4, apply a thin layer of gold glitter nail polish over a orange area. Step number 5, using a thin nail art brush and a black nail polish, draw tiger stripes from each side, expanding into the center of the nail. Step number 6, remove all the extra nail polish on your skin with the nail remover. Step number 7, finally apply a top coat to your nails to see in the design. Here you go, your beautiful tiger print nail art design is ready. If you like this design and my video, please do like and subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends. And if you have any query about nails, please comment below. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.